guardians of nature. Welcome to the enchanting world of wildflowers, where endless stretches of vibrant colors, the subtle fragrance of pure nature, and a silent symphony of life unfold before our eyes. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the crucial role of these flowers in nature and uncover the hidden stories told by these wonderful sanctuaries. Wildflower fields are not just a visual feast. They are true oases of biodiversity. In these places, every flower and every insect plays a vital role. Have you ever wondered what stories these natural sanctuaries hide? These fields are bustling microcosms of life, each plant and creature contributing to a delicate balance that supports entire ecosystems. Consider the pollinators, bees, butterflies, and even some bird species that are drawn to the wildflowers. These pollinators are the unsung heroes of our world. Without these diligent workers, many of our favorite foods would disappear. From apples to almonds, we rely on pollinators to ensure plant fertilization. Imagine a world without their tireless efforts, and you start to see the true importance of wildflowers. It's a vivid reminder of how interconnected we are with nature. The role of wildflowers, however, doesn't stop at the surface. Their roots improve soil structure and prevent erosion. Have you ever thought about the hidden treasures found in the soil of these fields? Beneath the ground lies a bustling underground ecosystem. Beneficial bacteria, mycorrhizae, and other microorganisms create a network that nourishes and protects the plants. This unseen world is teeming with life, much of it invisible to the naked eye, but essential for the health of the environment. The roots of wildflowers penetrate deep into the soil, stabilizing it and preventing erosion, while also facilitating the growth of other plants by improving soil fertility. As the seasons change, wildflower fields transform their landscape. The spectacular blooming followed by seed dispersal represents a vital cycle for ecosystem health. Each season brings its own beauty and challenges. Spring sees the fields burst into a riot of colors, summer maintains the growth, autumn scatters seeds, and winter allows the land to rest. This cycle is crucial for maintaining the balance in nature. Have you ever marveled at how these plants adapt and thrive, continuing their life cycle year after year? Have you ever thought about what the world would be like without these small gifts of nature? Wild vegetation contributes to the absorption of carbon dioxide, helping to combat climate change. They act as natural carbon sinks, pulling in carbon from the atmosphere and storing it in their roots and leaves. This natural process helps to regulate our climate, making wildflower fields not just beautiful, but also functional in maintaining the planet's health. Imagine a world where these natural carbon sinks were lost. Our battle against climate change would be even more daunting. Wildflower fields are not just for nature. They also provide spaces for recreation and relaxation. Imagine walking through such a place, listening to the gentle rustling of the wind and the song of birds. What fascinating stories could these landscapes tell? The serenity and beauty of these fields provide a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life, offering a space for reflection and connection with nature. These fields have been places of inspiration for poets, artists, and dreamers throughout history. Have you ever felt the profound peace that comes from immersing yourself in such a natural setting? Every wildflower has its own story. From amazing adaptations for surviving extreme conditions to secret relationships with insects and other plants, these stories weave a complex web of life. Some species of wildflowers have survived since the Ice Age, telling us about Earth's distant past. These ancient plants hold secrets of resilience and adaptation that have allowed them to thrive in diverse environments over millennia. Have you ever wondered what tales of survival and adaptation these flowers could tell if they could speak? Did you know that between the roots of plants and soil fungi there are complex underground networks called mycorrhizae? These help in the exchange of nutrients, demonstrating how interconnected the ecosystem is. It's like plants and fungi have their own underground internet, sharing resources and information to support each other's growth and survival. This mutualistic relationship highlights the intricate connections that sustain life in wildflower fields. Imagine the silent, constant communication happening beneath your feet as you walk through a field of wildflowers. At night, wildflower fields transform again. Unexpected visitors appear. Bats, owls, and other nocturnal creatures come out to forage. Each species has its own role, adding new chapters to these natural stories. The nighttime activity in these fields reveals a different side of their ecosystem, one that is just as vital and bustling with life as during the day. Have you ever wondered what secrets the night holds in these fields, under the cover of darkness? Many cultures have linked legends and myths to wildflower fields. In Greek mythology, the narcissus flower is connected to the story of Narcissus, a young man in love with his own reflection. These stories add a layer of mystery and fascination to these landscapes. They remind us that wildflower fields have inspired human imagination and storytelling for centuries, intertwining natural beauty with cultural heritage. Have you ever thought about the ancient legends that might be hidden in the fields you see today? Wildflower fields are more than just beautiful places. They are the beating hearts of our ecosystem, preserving biodiversity, supporting life, and inspiring countless stories. The next time you see a wildflower field, stop and think about all the mysteries and hidden stories under every petal and leaf. Each flower, each root, and each pollinator is part of a grand narrative of life, resilience, and interconnection. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of wildflowers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Share with us which stories impressed you the most and what other natural mysteries you would like us to explore. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.